Y'all hear how all that just fell down? Y'all hear how heavy all that stuff is? Why is it on the dryer? Why? Why? For what? Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back again. I'm here to do my review on the Dyson dryer. So I have the Dyson dryer. My dryer is the Persian blue and copper. I've been using it 3 months now, so I feel like I've gotten a good grasp on how well the dryer works. And I've also been using my old dryers too, just because sometimes don't have this with me, like when I go. That's irrelevant, it doesn't matter. Just know I use my old one, so I know I've used like regular dryers recently too. The dryer I had before this was the Babyliss Nano Italian something or other, but I'm sure you might know what I'm talking about if you're familiar with Babyliss dryers. The Dyson dryer. Hair dryer's latest technology, 5 styling attachments. Here I have 3 of the 5 styling attachments. There's intelligent heat control. You have the flyaway attachment. It has a digital motor of V9. Which is cool. So on initial use, I didn't realize there was like plastic around here, and so at the bottom of the dryer is where the air is sucked in at. So when you're using it, it's kind of best to use it kind of up higher because you'll feel the air sucking into the dryer from the bottom. So that was like the first thing that I noticed. But yeah, it does have the filter at the bottom. You see it like picks up stuff or whatever. All dryers usually come with filters. They're usually on the back of them though. I noticed I hold it pretty close, and something that I've noticed from using this dryer and then using like the old ones, how far away your arm is from the hair that you're doing. It's kind of like your arm almost has to do a little bit more work moving the dryer around, because the nose, I guess you would say, or the, I don't know, what is it called? This part of the dryer, I don't know. That's something I definitely do like with handling it. It also fits pretty good in my hand. My hands aren't crazy big at all, and I do have color on them from earlier. Shake my hand, wear your gloves. I don't know why I wasn't wearing them. So one thing that I do not like about it is I wish that they made this where it had a swivel cord on it. It's not terrible that it doesn't, and I know a lot of dryers don't have a swivel cord on them, but I just really would like for this to have a swivel cord, especially for the cost of it. Yeah, I would just prefer that. And maybe because it's not necessarily made for professional use, I think this is more so made for kind of in between, kind of also at home. I don't know. It's an expensive dryer, so of course it's professional in that sense, but most of Dyson's products are products that you use in your home. So I think with that in mind, it might be why it has the cord that it does. It also has a huge freaking charger. Okay, so I know it's got like this supercharged battery or this supercharged motor in it or whatever, so that's probably why it needs to have all this battery. But okay, so it's got this block. So if you have things plugged up next to it, it takes up at least 2 plugs. Annoying, I hate this. But most dryers come like this, fine. But this, what is this? What is this? This is not a computer. Why do I have this on the dryer? This is crazy. Like, maybe this is where the magic is, so, you know, I'm not gonna talk too much stuff, but what is this? Why is this on the dryer? So those are the only really things that I can find with this dryer that I don't care for. Y'all hear how all that just fell down? Y'all hear how heavy all that stuff is? Why is it on the dryer? Why? Why? For what? Packaging, like the box itself was nice. It's got a nice felt interior, which is nice. It feels nice. It's got a little bit of structure to it. For some reason, I could not get this in here, everything to fit in here. So, I was even considering buying like a bag to put it in because I couldn't fit this stuff in the bag. I had to watch a YouTube video to see how to put all this crap in here. Nice box. But this crap barely fits in it. Like, so the first, like when I first got it, of course, like you see me take all the stuff out of the box, and then the unboxing part. Gentle nozzle, I think it's called. I usually take that and click it on top of the dryer itself. Then I'll take this, which is the concentrator, and then the comb attachment, and I'll put them on top of here. And so I'm basically at capacity. Everything's like stuffed down, but it fits. So this, the diffuser, we're kind of in quarters or whatever. And so it's like pretty much dang near full. Where's it supposed to go? Huh? Where the diffuser? Is the diffuser not supposed to go in here? Or what? No? Okay. The Dyson dryer has 9 speeds. It has the full power. Okay, so like I said, it has 9 settings. So we have, man, I don't want to turn this thing on. It's not loud, but I just don't want to have it on. I'm sorry, I would turn it up if I don't want to. It has 9 settings. It has okay. So I think in that respect, it's very, very, very customizable. Like if the hair is just damp, you are trying to protect somebody's hair from heat, the highest heat setting on here is very, very hot. Like it's no joke. Like this thing gets down, like it's unmatched. Like this thing gets down. I really don't have many complaints about this dryer, to be honest. It's really good. I've used a Rush Speed Freak dryer, Babyliss one that I have now, a T3 blow dryer. I've used some pretty decent brands in terms of blow dryers, and this by far, as far as like performance, it's unmatched. I used the flyaway tank. It works pretty good. Did the job, but usually I use like a soft hose spray, like a Sebastian Shaper or something like that, to calm down flyaways, or a wax stick or something to get flyaways down. So it wasn't something that I needed before, and I mean, it's cool. The diffuser, I do not use the diffuser often because it doesn't fit in the box. I think I've used it one time on myself, and I mean, it's a diffuser. I usually just manipulate the dryer to kind of do my diffusing, but I'll use it more just to see, but a diffuser is a diffuser. Gentle air attachment. The dryer has a lot of power. There's a lot of air force. When you have it on the highest setting, it is really pushing out air very hard. When you put this on there, it does make it a little less hard. You can also turn down the dryer, which turn down the air pressure. The concentrator nozzle, I like the concentrator nozzle. It's something that I use a lot. It's a standard size. I know I've had, like with my Babyliss dryer, it had a small concentrator, a medium size, and a large one. So this one's about the same size as the medium, so I would say it's about standard. But yeah, I love the concentrator. Then the piece of resistance, baby, the comb attachment. This thing gets down. So like, the teeth are really thick. As you can see, the teeth are really thick and solid. Like they're really strong, thick. They don't really even bend. Like, the plastic that this is made out of is really solid, really hard. The camera is so much better. So much better. I know, it ain't the camera, it's the lens. My lens is so much better. Baby, focus on me. Baby, get your focus on me. Oh, oh. There's a magnet right here. At least that's what it appears to be to me. And look at that. And then you can spin it around. Amazing, amazing. But actually physically spin it. It doesn't really just spin when you're like going through the hair. Like you really have to like spin it yourself. but none of this gets hot. So literally you can just spin it as you please. If you don't want to use this anymore, take it off. It's not hot. That's amazing. Cause like on my, my babyless dryer, baby. The concentrator would get so hot. I'd be trying to spin it real quick. Like, nah, this is truly revolutionary for me, okay? Like, the hot concentrators, it was a no. It was a no-go. Whatever kind of technique that you might be using to blow dry, but it's so, you can just spin it, and then just it has a really sturdy magnet too. Home attachment. I think it also helps with this having such a long nozzle. It goes deep into the dryer, so it doesn't come out with these. This thing is really sturdy. All the attachments are very sturdy. Like I don't feel like if you drop them on the ground they'll crack or break or anything. And I think Dyson does sell the attachments. The home attachment is 40 bucks. It's 40 bucks on Sephora and it's about 40 bucks on Best Buy too.
Stop playing with me. Subscribe.
All the attachments are 40 bucks. So if you do break it, you can get it at Sephora, 40 bucks, which is cool. Despite my few complaints, this dryer is fine. I like it. I mean, I like it. I'm glad I got it. I would recommend it. It's expensive. It's $429, which is kind of high for a dryer. Oh, my boyfriend bought me this. And again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. I definitely want to bring you guys more stuff, more reviews and things. Have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave those in the bottom. And hit that subscribe. Bye, guys.